Welcome back to Nightwing Chinese. This is Mia. Today, let's go back to basic essential topics and learn words about 天气, weather. Let's dive in. First word, 天气, weather. 天 means sky. 天气 means air. Together, 天气, weather. So like, what does the sky look like? Is it sunny or cloudy? The air, the temperature, how does it feel? Together, 天气, weather. To ask how's the weather, let's use the question word 怎么样?怎么样? How? How's the weather? 天气怎么样?天气怎么样? Then we can add some time words. For example, today, tomorrow, 今天, today. 今天天气怎么样? How's the weather today? 明天天气怎么样? How's the weather tomorrow? If it's sunny weather, we say 晴天. 晴天. 晴 is the adjective. 晴, sunny. But it's only one character, so sounds too short sometimes. So instead of saying 今天晴, we usually would say 今天是晴天. 今天是晴天. Today is a sunny day. Cloudy, cloud, 云, 云, cloud. It's a noun. 多 means much, many. 多云, together, literally many clouds. It means cloudy. 多云 is an adjective. Cloudy. Next word, 阴. 阴 is the opposite of 晴. 晴天, sunny day. 阴天, an overcast day. In daily life, we use 阴天 a lot. When it's not sunny, the sky is gray, or maybe a lot of clouds accumulated in the sky. We say it's 阴天. Again, because it's only one character, so we prefer to say 今天是阴天 instead of 今天阴. One more time. 今天是阴天. Next up, rain. 雨. 雨. Third tone. 雨 is a noun, so it's raining. The verb to rain, we say 下雨. 下雨. 下 to fall down. 下雨. 今天天气怎么样? 今天下雨. Alright, this will be the end of today's episode. 你那里今天天气怎么样? What's the weather at your place today? Leave a comment and let me know. I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye.